Do you have a broken welder like me? Do you have a small exhaust leak? No problem. Here's a DIY exhaust leak fix you could do at home for just a few bucks. Three wraps should do it. As good as new.